Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on descriptive statistics. Now after we have converted our data which we have entered into an Excel sheet into a .csv format as shown in a previous video and have uploaded it into JASP as shown in a previous video, we should have something that looks like this. Now a little about this data which I have right here in front of me. This study provides details about patients and the number of additional hours that they slept after having been given two different hypnotic drugs. So group 1 indicates patients who were given hypnotic drug number 1, and group 2 indicates patients who were given hypnotic drug number 2. And this extra column indicates the number of extra hours that the patient slept. Negative values of course indicate less hours that they slept, and ID indicates the patient ID. Since we are doing descriptives, let's get straight into descriptive statistics and select on the descriptives icon. We should have something that looks like this. Now we will select the extra option and we will put it into the variables box. Now we straight away have an analysis right here. However, we won't stop here and we will further subdivide into this into two groups. So group 1, that is the patients who have received hypnotic 1, and the patients who have received hypnotic 2. And there we have it. We have descriptive statistics. Further, we can also click on this statistics option and a drop down will appear. We will select any other extra statistics which we might need, such as the mode or the median, interval range and other such good stuff. But this is enough for now, I think. So there we have it. We have descriptives right here, and thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.